Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I'm so excited. I was asked to be a guest designer for Sandy Nagel. She is Decorate Your Life. She has a website, she has a Facebook group, she has a shop, and I'm going to put all the links in the description box for you guys to make it easier to click and go. So when I opened my my package, I was so excited because this is a win it before you can buy it video. So I am going to make a project using her paper that she sent me, and you cannot buy this yet, so you have to follow along, and I will pick a winner in probably my next video. I'm still not sure if I'm going to make one project or two. She sent me 2 paper packs, so I am going to pick a winner, and Sandy is going to send you a paper pack of this design right here. So without further ado, let's get going. So this was in my package that Sandy sent me, and I was so tickled by the card because I just finished a project. This paper she had last year, and I just finished a project with this paper because I did purchase it last year and I didn't get to do much with it, so I went ahead and made a project with it, and I'll share that at a later date because it's for a swap and I do not want to show it just in case my swap partner watches my channel. So she sent me a very super cute card. I love how it turned out. She's got a message on the inside, and then she has a sticker on the back that says created by Decorate Your Life. Super cute. Sandy, thank you for the card. It is beautiful. I love it. And okay, so the first thing, and I've already opened this because I thought it was so cute. She sent me her mason jars, her ephemera mason jars, and I just thought they were so cute. I already have an idea as to what I'm going to make with these, and they all have a different design. So it looks like it's 2 designs, or 2 of each design. Aren't these pretty? Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. And I love the clocks. Look at the clocks. They are so pretty and inspirational. So look at this one. Oh my gosh, I just love that. Those pumpkins are adorable. And then here's another one with a tag, a ribbon, and a rose. Plant lover, welcome to our cottage. This cottage is filled with love. So these are the shorter ones. Oh, and this one's blank. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can definitely do something with that one. And then this one is the taller set. And these are so pretty. Oh my goodness, they are pretty. Oh, look at the pumpkin. Very pretty, guys. These this ephemera pack is so adorable. Love the images on the front. Oh, look at this heart. That is so pretty. And the ribbon, you can tell that's a silk ribbon with some flowers in the center. This one has the XO. This one has a heart, and the blank mason jar that we can decorate ourselves. So those are super cute. Thank you, Sandy. I totally did not expect that one. I really just thought I was going to get the paper, but I'm going to make something with these because I have an idea already as to what I'm going to make. So that is her mason jar ephemera pack. Super cute. Oh, it's a free gift. I hadn't seen this. Aw, thank you, Sandy. It says a free gift just for you. Decorate Your Life. So super adorable. Love those. Thank you, Sandy. And then, guys, here is the paper pack that I received. 2 of the same. For that way I don't run out. whatever I make, I won't run out. So I'm gonna set one aside, and I am going to open the other one, that one, so it doesn't distract. So it is 65-pound cardstock. It's got 7 designs, which is 18 sheets in total. Sandy Nagel, Decorate Your Life, and the name of this collection is called Country Red. 8 1/4 by 8 1/4, which is a pretty good size. So let me open this up and show you what they look like. All right, guys, so this is the cover sheet, and you can actually just actually use portion of the cover sheet if need be. So yeah, that's so pretty. Look, this lady right here. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. And it says, let's make something beautiful, decorate your life. Okay, and then this is the first sheet that we come to. So these are beautiful poppy flowers, and they're on both ends. Beautiful yellowish background. And like I said, I think I know what I'm going to do with this, and you get 2 of each sheet. So we've got 2 of those. And then I have 2 of these. This one has a scripture on it, Isaiah 41:10. And guys, I don't know my scriptures. I mean, I know some of them, but I don't even know what book they're in, what verse they are. But I'm gonna have to look these up. Maybe it will be inspiring, and I will change the trajectory of my project. So this one, again, it's got the poppy flowers at the bottom. It's got some black hearts with some dots on the top. It's got this black and white gingham, the pearls in the center, and another strand going down the bottom. So super, super pretty. And then this one is similar, but it doesn't have the scripture on it. So those 2 are so pretty. I just love this frame right here. That could be a focal point. Very pretty. And then this one, it's got that yellow background with the black hearts, and this black heart on the top has a little daisy on there. Super cute. So that's 2 of those. Very pretty. And then this one has a big scripture, or a big image with a scripture. It's Mark 11:24. And again, I'm gonna have to look those up to see what they are. I don't want this video to be too long, or I would look them up right now, but I'm gonna wait. So we have the beaded garland on the top with the daisy, and then the solid color at the bottom with the gingham background. And then this beautiful frame with the scripture on it. That's very pretty. And then we have the same page on this side, except it's got 3 flowers. It does not have the scripture on the front, but it is that beautiful color combination on here. Super pretty. And then this is, for me, a background page. So we can use this as a background if we choose to. And there's 2 of those. And then here is another one with daisies on the backgrounds, and then that beautiful brownish color on the, you know, as the main color. And then the daisies. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many ideas, guys. And then we have another background page that is a solid color. So all in all, that's a beautiful, beautiful collection. And like I said, you'll have to watch to be able to win this collection from Sandy through one of my, I will pick the winner, and then I will send Sandy all the information, and she will send you your paper pack. So that is the way this is going to work. So I should have a video out, you know, in the next week and a half or so. That way you can watch for it and enter the giveaway. And hopefully I can make something really cute for you guys, because my plan is to give away my projects that I make with the paper. So you'll have 2 chances to win. Okay, you will be able to win Sandy's Win It before you can buy it, or you can have a chance to win my projects that I make with this. All right, guys, just thought I'd come on here really quickly and let you know that I am guest designing for Sandy Nagel, which is Decorate Your Life, and I hope you will stick around long enough to enter the giveaway. All right, guys, don't forget, I will have all the links that you need in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.